So today we are going to see an interesting topic called catalysis. Catalyst. A catalyst is defined as a substance which alters the rate of a reaction, itself remaining chemically unchanged at the end of the reaction. The process called as catalyst. Here the key word to be noted is alters the rate of a chemical reaction, itself remaining chemically unchanged. That means it only speeds up the reaction and does not involve in the reaction. That is the catalyst. Next, let's see about what is positive catalyst. A catalyst which enhances the rate of a reaction is called as positive catalyst. Enhances, that is the keyword to be noted. And enhances means it just speeds up the reaction rate. And here the example is N2 plus 3H2 plus Fe gives 2NH3 plus Fe. Here the catalyst is iron and it is one of the Haber's process of ammonia. Next, let's see about the negative catalyst. A catalyst which retards the rate of a reaction is called as a negative catalyst, and the process called as a negative catalysis. And here, what is negative catalysis means? Here the work of the negative catalyst is to retard the rate of reaction. That means it just completely slows down or puts off the rate of the reaction. That is the role of the negative catalyst. And here the example is 2H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. It decomposes to form 2H2O plus O2, that is oxygen and water molecule. Here the negative catalyst can be dilute acid or glycol. And next, let's see about the types of catalysis. Here the type of catalysis is homogeneous catalysis and heterogeneous catalysis. And another third type of catalysis is enzyme catalyst. This enzyme catalyst we'll see in later. First we'll see about homogeneous catalysis and heterogeneous catalysis. When you see about this enzyme catalyst, it is largely of biological interest. Homogeneous catalysis. First we'll see about it. In homogeneous catalysis, if you see, a catalyst is in the same phase as the reactant and it is evenly distributed throughout. This type of catalysis can occur in gas phase or the liquid phase. So when you see what is homogeneous catalyst, when you see in simple form, it is just nothing but when the catalyst and the reactant are in the same phase means it is known as homogeneous catalyst. Homo means what? Same. So when the reactant and the catalyst are in the same phase means it is known as homogeneous catalysis. When you see this type of catalysis means it can occur in gas phase or the liquid phase. So when you see the example of this homogeneous catalysis, it is oxidation of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide with nitric acid as a catalyst. So here we have seen in homogeneous catalysis definition that the reactant and the catalyst should be in same phase. So here the reactant is SO2 plus O2. Here the both are gas form, are in gas phase. And when you see here what is the catalyst means, NO, that is also in gas phase. So it is the example of homogeneous catalysis. Next we'll see about heterogeneous catalysis. A catalysis in which the catalysis is in a different phase from the reactant is termed as heterogeneous catalysis. Most important of such reaction are those in which the reactant are in the gas phase while the catalyst is a solid. The process is called as contact catalysis since the reaction occurs by contact of reactants with the catalyst surface. You know, hetero means different. So here the word itself defines the definition. The catalyst and the reactant should be in different phase. That is a heterogeneous catalyst. And you see one important thing here is another type was contact catalyst. So in specific they have mentioned it. So when the reactant are in the gas phase and the catalyst is in a solid phase means it is contact catalyst. Why means it occurs by the contact of the reactant with the catalyst surface. So it is known as contact catalysis. The example if you see means the combination of sulfur dioxide and oxygen in the presence of finely divided platinum or vanadium pentoxide, that is V2O5. It is contact process. Here 2SO2 plus O2 plus platinum gives 2SO3 plus platinum. So if you see, the reactant is SO2 plus O2, that is in gas form. Platinum here we have used as a catalyst.